today we're going to remediate a child named
Magdan Iigot.
Magdan E. Igot. But first, let's start with few activities to see which word or what word that I have prepared here you know how to read. Okay? I have prepared a paper here. Okay, can you read the first word?
Da.
How about the second one?
Was.
How about the third one?
Da.
The third one, this one.
An.
Okay, very good. Clap your hands. Yay! Now let's proceed with this. Can you sound this vowel?
Ah.
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 How about the second one?
Eh.
Eh. Eh. How about this? Okay, very good. Clap your hands. Yay! Now let's proceed to word analysis. And I have prepared a word here, stop. The word stop. And can you read this word? This one. If I cover this part, can you read this?
Op.
How about this? Okay, all together. Can you blend this letters?
Stop. Stop.
This one, what's the sound of this letter?
Oh.
Ah.
Ah.
But in here, you're going to read this letter as ah, 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 ah.
Stop.
Okay? This letter, can you sound this? How about this? How about this?
Oh.
Ah, ah.
Ah.
How about this? Together?
Stop. Stop.
Stop. Very good. Stop.
Stop.
Yes. Stop. Stop.
Stop.
Okay, how about this word? This here first. How about this? How about this?
E.
How about this?
P.
Pa, pa, pa.
Pa.
Together? Together, this one together. Can you read this?
Dili.
Okay, let's start with this one. E.
E. Sheep.
Oh, very good! Yay! Clap your hands! Yay! Oh my God, you really made a huge progress right now. Now I have prepared here a short story. And I want you to read this properly because after this story, I have prepared a questions. Okay? So, okay, can you read now? Okay, let's start.
Leo. Leo.
Ugh. Okay, I want you to sound this vowel out, sound this consonant. Ugh.
E.
How about this vowel?
E.
How about this?
E.
That's L. That's L.
E.
Okay. All together.
Leo.
How about this? This first.
E.
E. E. Okay. All together. Lily. 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 Okay. Let's now read.
Lily
Had.
had a small.
Small. Okay. Again.
Lily had a small kid.
This one. 10.
10.
Kit.
10.
Kitten. Kitten. Let's proceed.
Da. Da. Kid. Kitten. Was. We.
White.
White. And. Flow.
Flaw.
Fluff. One. Day. The. Cow. Kitten. Run.
Okay, you read this. You read this part first.
And. And.
That's T. Out.
Outside.
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 Outside. Lila.
Lily.
Lily. Look. And. Look. What. Is.
That's
She.
She. Okay, very good. Next.
Cold. Cold.
Huh? What?
Cold.
Okay, this word is silent L, so you read this as could. Not cold. Could. Okay? Could. Then next. How to read this? How to read this word?
Cold.
Don't read this. This letter, this word is silent L. So even if there's an L in there, you shouldn't sound that letter out. So you read that as could. Could.
Cold.
Yeah, very good. Next.
No.
Mm. Oh.
No.
Mm. Oh.
No.
Not. Not.
Not. Feel.
Find.
Find.
Huh?
Her. Kitten.
Very good! Yay! Clap your hands! Now, I'm going to ask you a questions to see if you really understand what you have read. Okay? Okay, the first question. Come here, come here. The first question. Who was the main character on the story?
Lily.
Wow, very good! The second question. What happened to the kitten?
Lost.
Yes, the kitten was lost. The third question. How did Lily feel when the kitten was lost?
Worry.
Yeah, Lily was worried because her kitten was lost. Now, let's pick some word from the story to see if you really have an idea about the certain words or word. Okay, let's start with this. Floppy. Do you know this word?
Flop.
Do you know this word? The meaning of this word?
Cat.
Now, when we say floppy, it means soft, like this pillow. It is floppy. And in the story, the kitten was floppy. It means that the kitten was soft. The kitten was soft. When we say floppy, that means
Soft.
yes, that means soft. The second word is outside. Do you know what outside mean?
Outside.
Yes. Do you know what that means?
It's.
Outside. What does that mean? Oh yes, the was. Very good. Hiding. Hiding. Do you know what that word? What that word rather?
Tago.
Yes, I want you to show me what hiding looks like using your body. Is it okay with you, hiding? Okay.
Like this.
Like? Yes, that's hiding. Very good. Yay, clap your hands. Yay, yay, clap your hands. Clap your hands. You really worked hard today, Dansoy, and I'm really proud of you. You did a great job. Clap your hands. Yay! Say bye. Thank you, Dansoy, for your cooperation. Bye.